In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Asana with Jotform submissions. If you're collecting responses in Jotform and want those to become actionable items in Asana, it helps to understand exactly where each piece of information lands inside a task. I'll walk you through the task layout in Asana so you can confidently map your form fields, and I'll demonstrate the same flow you'll use to test things manually. First, open Asana and head to the home view. This puts you in the right workspace and gives you quick access to everything on the left sidebar. From there, click My Tasks. Think of My Tasks as your personal inbox for work, even if your Jotform submissions will ultimately route to a specific project. My Tasks is a great place to verify that what's coming in looks correct and is assigned to the right person. Next, create a new task by selecting the Add Task button. A blank task appears, ready to be filled out. Start by typing the task name. Choose a clear, consistent naming pattern so it's easy to scan later. Many teams include the form name or a short summary of the submission in the title. This is often the first field you'll map from Jotform, so make sure it's descriptive enough to stand on its own in a list. Set a due date to define when the work needs to be completed. If your Jotform includes a date field, you can map that directly, or you can set it manually while testing. Be mindful of time zones if your team collaborates across regions, and pick realistic deadlines so tasks don't pile up as overdue. Add collaborators to keep the right people in the loop. Collaborators receive updates and can comment or attach files, which is perfect when a submission needs input from multiple stakeholders. If your workflow involves a primary owner, remember that the assignee is the person responsible, while collaborators are followers who stay informed. Attach the task to the appropriate project so it appears where your team plans and tracks work. You can place a task in more than one project if needed, which is helpful for cross-functional visibility. For form automations, you'll typically target a single project to keep everything organized. Finally, check task visibility. Choose whether the task should be visible to your entire workspace, a specific project, or just the people involved. This is especially important if your submissions contain sensitive information. Limit access to only those who need it. That's it. By creating a task, naming it clearly, setting a due date, adding collaborators, assigning it to the right project, and adjusting visibility, you'll have a clean structure that Jotform can populate automatically and your team can act on immediately.